Mass dolphin stranding triggers earthquake fears. Mystery as 160 melon-headed whales wash up on Japanese beaches. The whales washed up along a 6-mile stretch of coast near Hokkaido, Japan. Experts have dismissed rumors of impending earthquake as unscientific. The strandings sparked comparisons with the appearance of 50 melon-headed whales 6 days before the earthquake in 2011 that left 19,000 dead. Officials instead believe the whales may have suffered a parasitic infection, while others say the animals may have been attempting to avoid predators. The mass stranding of 160 melon-headed whales on 2 beaches in Japan has triggered fears of upcoming earthquake and tsunami. The whales, which are in fact a species of dolphin, were found washed up along a 6-mile, 10 kilometers, stretch of the Pacific coast of Hokkaido, around 60 miles, 100 kilometers, north of Tokyo. Although officials are still investigating the cause of the strandings, they triggered rumors on social media of an impending earthquake. Animals do sense earthquakes. For centuries there have been accounts of animals behaving bizarrely before earthquakes. Now scientists have filmed the behavior of wild animals prior to a quake and believe their study could help improve short-term seismic forecasting. They found that animals in Peru, such as pumas and razor-billed curassow birds, ran for cover days before the event. Researchers believe that changes in behavior may be linked to airborne ions. Led by Dr. Rachel Grant of Anglia Ruskin University, experts used data gathered from a series of motion-triggered cameras located in the Inacaraca National Park in Peru. The research found that significant changes in animal behavior began 23 days before the magnitude 7.0 Contamana earthquake that struck the region in 2011. On a typical day, the cameras would record between 5 and 15 animal sightings. However, within the 2-day period in the run-up to the earthquake, they recorded 5 or fewer sightings. Instead, they believe the melon-headed whales may have suffered a parasitic infection. Others believe the sandy shoals around Hokkaido City may have also made the animals' sonar ineffective. Toshiaki Kishiro, head of cetacean resources at Japan's National Research Institute of Far Seas Fisheries, said while it was possible that whales frightened by disturbances in the Earth's electromagnetic field caused by movement in the tectonic plates, there was no firm evidence of this. Speaking to The Telegraph, he said, "This area of Japan has had many similar cases of beachings in the past, and especially of this species, so we are trying to find out why it happens." He added that the animals, which measure 2 to 3 meters in length, could have been trying to avoid predators like killer whales and come too close to the shore. However, despite attempts to reassure the public, social media sites like Twitter have been ablaze with rumors of an impending earthquake. One Twitter user wrote, "Is the next one coming? Be ready for a quake." The whales first began to appear on the beach last week, but officials said they had discovered 8 more bodies today. Local residents had rushed to the beaches with buckets and towels in an attempt to help keep the marine mammals alive. However, almost all of the animals have now died, although a few were returned to the ocean. The strandings in 2011 before the magnitude 9 earthquake off the coast of Japan is not the first association of whale strandings with tectonic activity. Around 100 pilot whales died in a mass stranding on a remote beach in New Zealand just 2 days before a large earthquake hit Christchurch in 2011. The 2004 Boxing Day earthquake in the Indian Ocean that also triggered a devastating tsunami also saw 170 whales stranded on beaches in Australia and New Zealand in the days before. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmeme.webs.com.
We